Mimicry in evolution. Picture this. You're walking through a jungle and you spot a big snake. Actually, scratch that. How about a big, colorful snake? Your instinct tells you to stop. Could it be venomous? Or is it just pretending? This is mimicry, one of nature's most fascinating survival strategies. Today, we dive into how species copy each other to survive, thrive, and even sometimes kill. Mimicry is when one species evolves to resemble another. This can help them avoid predators, lure in prey, or even gain some kind of social advantage. There are three main types: Batesian mimicry, Müllerian mimicry, and lastly, aggressive mimicry. First up, we have Batesian mimicry. Imagine a harmless animal disguised itself as something dangerous. A classic example of this would be the viceroy and monarch butterfly. Monarch butterflies are toxic because they feed on milkweed and caterpillars, making them distasteful to birds. Viceroy butterflies, on the other hand, don't have these toxins, but they look almost identical to monarchs, so predators avoid them too. Pretty smart, huh? Now we move on to Müllerian mimicry. This one's a little different. Instead of a harmless species copying a dangerous one, here two or more harmful species evolve to look alike. But why is the question? Well, because the more predators learn to avoid them, the safer they all become. Let's think of bees, wasps, and hornets. They all have yellow and black warning colors. By sharing this pattern, they reinforce the message, "We sting." Now, what if instead of avoiding predators, an animal uses mimicry to trick its prey? This is called aggressive mimicry. One of the best examples is the anglerfish. It has a glowing lure that looks like a tiny worm. Small fish swim towards it thinking they found food, and then, chomp, they became the meal instead. The alligator snapping turtle does similar things. It wiggles its tongue inside its mouth, making it look like a worm. When a fish comes close, however, it's game over. Now we can get into the nitty-gritty of mimicry. Mimicry is a remarkable evolutionary strategy driven by natural selection, allowing organisms to enhance their survival by resembling other species. Batesian mimicry, as seen in the viceroy butterfly, provides protection to non-toxic species by exploiting the learned avoidance of predators. In contrast, Müllerian mimicry strengthens aposematic signals among truly harmful species, reinforcing predator deterrence. Meanwhile, aggressive mimicry showcases the predator-prey evolutionary arms race, with species like the anglerfish deceiving prey through adaptive signal mechanisms. These mimicry systems exemplify the dynamic interplay between selection pressure and ecological interactions, demonstrating how evolution consistently shapes species morphology and behavior to maximize survival and reproductive success. As research advances, mimicry remains a compelling subject in evolutionary biology, shedding light on co-evolutionary relationships, predator-prey dynamics, and the intricate mechanisms underlying adaptation.